Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the all-new Icon Contra 2 Textile jacket. As of the time we're shooting this video, the Icon Contra 2 retails for $250. Please understand, we do not update the videos when the price changes, only if the product itself has been redesigned. This is a remake, a redesign on a legend in the Icon jacket catalog that was there for 10 years plus, the original Contra, which is a great jacket all in itself. This one is for sure a big leap forward. Some of the areas where the Contra was cool, but a little weak was it was kind of crunchy. The material was a little thicker, you know, they just refined it quite a bit and they built in a tremendous amount of airflow to it. Let's start off with sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, about 205 pounds, say a 33-inch waist. I have on a size large right now in the Contra 2. Give you an idea how that fits. This jacket includes a fully removable liner, both vest and sleeve, and that does take up a little bit of volume in the coat. I encourage people when they buy a jacket like this that can be used for multiple seasons, like this one, due to that insulated liner, that if you think you're going to do the majority of your riding in the hot weather, which is what I do, I'd probably take the liner out and never put it back in. Make sure you try the coat on with the liner removed if that's how you're going to wear it most often, so you're happy with the fit in the period where you would do the most riding in it. Let's talk armor that comes in the coat. This comes with a full complement of CE certified D3O armor. Elbows, forearms, shoulders, as well as the back protector. It's a great value add. This stuff's super protective and low profile, so it preserves the look of the jacket. Airflow. Huge mesh panels up front, mesh in the arm. That stretch fabric's gonna flow air. And if you look at the back of the coat, large mesh paneling. So this is really going to move a tremendous amount of air, especially when that quilted liner is removed from it. Volume adjusters. Bicep area, forearm area. They really simplified these, very low profile. There is additional ventilation available right here in the forearm area with that double zip. Considering, you know, what the jacket's made out of, how much mesh there is, and even that this is going to flow air freely, it's a cool feature. I dig it. You know, I don't know that that's something that you really need end of the day. This thing's already going to be so cool. TPR detail here, the mesh inlaid. This stuff is cool. This perforation in the textile fabric. Super cool jacket. Lots of details. You got reflective here on both arms, and then you have reflective, the Icon logo across the back. Volume adjustment at the waist is managed with this motocross boot buckle style adjuster. That's a carryover design concept from the initial jacket. Storage. We have hand warmer style storage pockets outside. Man, that's actually a pretty big hole. I like that. It's easy to get your hand in and out. Odds are if you have on a short cuff glove, like a lighter glove, you could probably get your hand in and out with the glove on. That's nice. Heavy gauge main zip, a lot of quality here. Icon makes a kick-ass motorcycle jacket, and this is a great example of just that. Internal storage, we'll show you closer in the second part of this video, but we've got a breast pocket left side, and then we have two big slip pockets inside, both right and left. For more details, stay tuned for the second part. Okay, inside out, the all-new Icon Contra 2 jacket. It has a full quilted liner, both vest and sleeve. The quality of this is nice. Pass-throughs, so you can reach the inner pockets when you have the liner in. I like that. Also, you know, a nice knitted cuff at the end of the sleeve. The armor, D3O. This is premium stuff. You have a CE certified back protector, and look at how low pro that is. Moldable, flexible, super comfortable, protective. Stuff really works. That didn't even hurt. Elbow and forearm, as well as a shoulder piece. They've been using this for the last couple of years, and it really kind of changes the jacket. You lose all that bulk. Looks a little more stealth. Chassis itself, and this is an update on like an iconic jacket in their catalog. Tons of mesh here. So when that liner is removed, you are free flowing with air. This is going to wear super light and super cool. Nice motion panels here. Makes it easy to reach for the controls. Icon logo down here, looks to be reflective. Staying true to form with the original design It has that motocross boot style volume adjuster here at the waist. Locking zipper, hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides. The sleeve of the coat is using a more durable nylon, a ballistic nylon in the impact zones. We've got a motion panel here in the elbow, reflective here with the logo. There's that TPR and the vent inside, staying true to that original form. When they get out of the crash zone, we're now using mesh again. Two-way zip. This is a cool feature. This jacket moves so much air. God, I mean, how functional is this going to be? Do you really need it? But you can have the cuff zipped closed and then open this up, and it's like another vent here. It's finished with mesh in the back. Okay, give it a shot when you ride and see how effective that is or is not. All quality zips. They finished the inside of that off with mesh, which is nice. Volume adjusters here for the forearm and bicep area. It's got some stretch fabric here. Just keeps the jacket more mobile. Get to the front. There is that iconic Icon TPR detail with the vent inside of it that we saw on that original Contra jacket. Some cool segmented perf here. Large mesh panel. Get inside the coat. Nice, comfortable, high-quality mesh inside. Comfortable and cool against the skin. It has that stash pocket St. Christopher metal in here. They've been doing that forever. Icon makes one hell of a motorcycle jacket. This is another fine example of just that. You got your storage pocket here, slip storage pocket here, slip storage pocket over here, pocket for the back protector that comes already installed right here. End of the day, what do I think? This is a great jacket. The Contra, the original Contra, was a staple in their catalog. I think that thing was in there for 10 years. Lived forever. This is a very serious upgrade to an Icon.